In this guide, I'll show you two different and easy ways to hard reset your Asus AX55 Wi-Fi router to factory default settings and erase all its data. So let's begin. You can reset your Asus router either using a computer or a smartphone. We're gonna go with our smartphone, and first we'll ensure that we are connected to our Asus router's Wi-Fi. Then we'll open a browser and you may get redirected to your router site automatically. If not, then tap on the URL bar and go to asusrouter.com. Now sign in with your username and password. Now that we are signed in, we will look for administration and then we will go to the restore tab. From this tab, all you need to do is tap on restore to start resetting your router to factory default. Before that, you can also save the settings if you want. Confirm by pressing OK. And your router will start resetting. And while the reset is ongoing, you need to keep your router turned on. When it says complete, you can exit out from this website and your router is successfully reset. But if you don't have the login password or can't access the web GUI, then for the second way, we will use the reset button that's on our router. So let's locate the reset button that's on the back of our router, and to reach the button, you can use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip. Then, while the router is turned on, hold down on the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the power LED starts flashing. Keep holding it until the other LED lights turn on, then you can let go to finish resetting your router. Now you can sell or give away your router or set it up again and you're good to go. So that's how you can factory hard reset your Asus AX55 router to default settings. Hope this helped fix your issues. I'll see you around.